In today's video, I'm going to reveal a known strategy that people are using to earn over $4,000 monthly by simply copying and pasting emails. I have been trying this over the past few weeks and I have earned some money. In the last 30 days alone, I've earned thousands of dollars by using this AI method. This method is proven to work even today, and I will show you how you can use it to start making money for yourself. The best part, you don't need a website, no upfront investment, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and make sure you share this video with your family and friends. Number 1, choose a program or a product that you want to promote. The program that I used was vidIQ. vidIQ is a tool designed to help YouTube creators grow their channels faster. It boosts views, optimizes videos, and helps creators reach their ideal audience. It is trusted by over 20 million creators worldwide. But for this strategy, we are not focusing on using vidIQ ourselves. Instead, we are promoting it to people who might want to start a YouTube channel. For example, with vidIQ, I can earn $25 for every $99 coaching plan sale. I will get 25% commission every time someone buys through my link, the $99 coaching plan sale. And since so many people are interested in becoming content creators, so it will be easy for me to sell vidIQ because it is well trusted and used by big creators on YouTube. If you are not interested in vidIQ, then simply just go to ClickBank and find a product to promote. It could be anything. And after signing up for the affiliate program, whether it is ClickBank or vidIQ, log into your account and next head over to YouTube and search for channels in a specific category or niche. And that is specifically for vidIQ. And let's say you signed up for ClickBank affiliate program, then you have to match the product that you're promoting and the audience that wants to buy it. But for vidIQ, all you have to do is find any niche. Go to filters option on YouTube and select last hour to find new or small channels just starting out. These are your target audience because they're actively trying to grow their channel but may not have the tools or knowledge they need. When you find a channel, go to their about section to see if they have provided their contact email. If it is not there, then check the description of one of their videos. Once you find their email, you can reach out with your affiliate link and introduce them to vidIQ. If they sign up and purchase a plan, you will earn passive income from their subscription. And for people who choose the ClickBank option, the best way to get your target audience, it is through Facebook group or pages, also Instagram and LinkedIn. And that is for the people who don't want to put any effort into this. Many Facebook groups offer contact information or allow you to reach out directly to members. On Instagram, engage with your users in your target demographic by interacting with posts related to your product. Look at influencers, micro-influencers, or people interested in similar products. You can often find emails in their bio or DM them directly and try to pitch the product to them. Another professional way is to create a landing page. Set up a landing page and offer a free resource related to your product. Use social media or other platforms to promote this landing page. In that landing page, provide a compelling content on that specific product and include a simple email sign-up form. Now that you have a list of potential leads, the next step is crafting a compelling email or blog post to promote vidIQ or the product that you want to promote. For this, you can use ChatGPT. You can start by asking ChatGPT to generate high-converting titles focused on helping YouTubers who want to grow their channels. If it's a specific product, you can tell ChatGPT to write you a compelling email to sell this specific product. If it is a blog post, you can ask ChatGPT to expand the outline into a complete article of around 2,000 words. This blog post should not only educate readers, but also include a strong call to action encouraging them to use your link and buy the product. If you are wondering where can I post this post, if it is not my landing page. You can post your articles on platforms like Medium, LinkedIn articles, Substack, and Hub pages. Nonetheless, all you have to do is be consistent and don't give up. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your family and friends.